It's your girl Sin, and I am back with another video. And if you want to see what I'm doing today, make sure you stay tuned.
Tshirtchick.
Welcome back, T-shirtpreneurs, Prince Squad, old timers, big timers, and if this is your first time watching, welcome first timer. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some embroidery equipment slash supplies, whatever you want to call it, just things dealing with embroidery. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you stay tuned. These packages are actually items that I purchased during Black Friday. No, they were not on sale. No, they was not. But we're going to go ahead and open them up anyway, because it's some things that I need, and I just want y'all to check all of this stuff out. Okay, so I'm going to open this one last. I'm going to go ahead and open this one. Those of y'all that know the plan. And shout out to my girl, Shay. She got a YouTube channel. Y'all make sure y'all check her out. I use her link for this, or her code for this. And if y'all want to know what her code is, I might leave it down below. But if not, y'all can get it. Actually, I'll tell you what, I'm not going to leave it down below. Y'all, if y'all want to use her code so that you can get a discount, or you will pay less if you order from this place by using her code. But you're going to have to go to her channel. I will leave a link for her channel down below this video. All right, Shay. So, let me see. I'm going to go ahead, cut this thing open. I be forgetting I'm not using my wireless mic, so I have to face the camera when I'm talking so that y'all, to be sure that y'all hear me. All right, so right here, y'all can see it's kind of a little thingy. Y'all might not know what it is just yet, but it's a little thingy that's going to be a big help to your girl. All right, so right here we got, these are the things that go on to these hoops right here. You have to attach these, because these hoops can go with any machine, any embroidery machine, but you have to have these in order for it to work properly for specific machines. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it over there. And I needed some more of these big rubber bands. Come on, right on time. All right, so we got these things right here and right here. So this is a hooping station right here. So I'll be able to set this up so that I can use different size hoops, and I can get the center, go ahead and center my backing and everything on there, and it'll hold my backing down right here. Y'all get to see more about it in another video. I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of it. So let me see. Let me try to go ahead and take this out, so that I can kind of let y'all know how it sets up. Go ahead, take these thumb screws all the way out. All right, and then we're going to slide this out. And then we're going to slide this down on here. And it screws in right here. So we'll go ahead and knock this part out. All right. I think that's how it works. Yeah, I might have to read the directions, y'all. I may have to read the directions, because you know your girl ain't big on reading the directions. Let me see. Okay. I don't know exactly where it goes, but we're going to figure it out. Y'all may not get to see it all set up in this video, because I really just want to do a quick unboxing for y'all and just let y'all check out what I got. All right, so we got that right there. I'm going to go ahead, place that right there, move this out the way. All right. But let me see how this goes. Maybe this goes like this. That's probably why it didn't work, because I got it all backwards and stuff. Let me see. We're going to try to see. I don't know. We're going to have to figure it out. Maybe it's some more parts in this other thing over here. So I'm going to go ahead and move that to the side. Y'all know I'm not ashamed or afraid to admit I don't be knowing what I'm doing sometimes. But that is how we learn. You start off not knowing, and then you know a lot. All right. So this next thing right here is something that I've been kind of wanting to get for a while. But your girl, she be trying to cheap out sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this thing right here and open it up. All right. All right, as you see right there, it's got the whole title of what it is. It's a fold and bag. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this plastic, this protection out of there. And right here, this is the folding bag. So here's the instructions right here. So what I'm going to do is try to fold the shirt with it and let you guys see how it goes. Let me see. I don't know if I need to watch a video on it or what, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead, and I know y'all might have heard me talking about the new folder that I was looking at, but this is it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get a shirt and fold it up and let you guys see how this thing works. All right, y'all, I thought I was recording and I was not, but y'all know this thing right here that I was using that I got from Amazon. It's just a cheap little baggy thing. I think it was like $10. I'll leave the link for it below if y'all want to cheap out like your girl did the first round. But this is what I was using before, and if you want to bag it, you had to use this in order to get your shirt into the bag. So right here, that's what we got right here. All right, so I don't know exactly what this thing is right here, but I am gonna push it in. I'm gonna just push it in right there because I think it needs to fit in this bag right here. So I want to just push it in to make sure that it does fit in this bag. So what I'm gonna do, by the instructions right here, I'm just kind of looking at it. Okay, I'm looking at 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this shirt right here and slide it up right here, and then I'm going to flip it over like that, and I'm gonna flip it over like that. And I'm on step 4 now. So I just fold that part up. And I think I slide it down like this. And then fold this part up. Slide down a little more. Fold this part up right here. And now I believe the next step would be to take your bag and slide your shirt in right here. Let me see. I may need bigger bags. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to see what it's going to be like. Okay, so I got that. And now, voila, the shirt is bagged up. It ain't the perfect fold, but this is my first time using it, and I may be using it incorrectly, but your girl gonna get it right. But that's just a quick little video on how to do that. But I appreciate y'all watching. I am gonna do a comparison contrast just to kind of let y'all see which one of these will be best for you, just in case you're interested. And by the way, all of these items these are Hoopmaster brand or Mighty Hoop, whatever you want to call it. They came from that company right there. But I appreciate y'all watching. If you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up video. If you're not subscribed, what you still doing here? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And while you subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell to make sure that you're notified every time I put out a new video. And I appreciate you guys watching. And I'll see you in another video, maybe. But until then, be blessed.